Hi, today we're talking about dinosaurs. This whole week we're going to talk about them. And right now I've got my 4 dinosaurs lined up and they need some place to live. So I'm going to build them a dinosaur cage out of our Lincoln logs. I'm going to try to make it as big as I can so they can get along together. But I'm starting with my foundation. And I love to build with Lincoln logs, and I know you guys do too. Oh, that won't work. These won't fit. And I don't have any more real big ones, so I'm going to put these aside. I'm going to start with these. This will be a big enough house. One here. And there. And we know how to fit our Lincoln logs together. I'm going to add another wall. Build it up kind of high so they'll be safe inside their house. We can go another wall. And one more wall. And now, each one of these dinosaurs are going to climb and get in their house. Here they go. Oh, he barely fit. He's going to have to lose some weight to get in that house. Here goes another one. I'm in here with you. And here's our last one. And now, there's our dinosaurs, and they're all snug in their cage. So y'all have fun playing with your little dinosaurs.